Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I will present research result on activities. Day 1 International Conference on Innovation 2021. The title of the paper, The Effect of Diabetes on the Period of the Float Type Wave Pump. My name Hamza Alimran, Faculty of Engineering, Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. Introduction. Indonesia is an archipelago that is surrounded by two oceans, namely the Indonesia Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, and its position is on the equator so that the condition of tides, winds, wave, and ocean current. The result of tidal height measurement in the Indonesian Sea are so that several offshore coastal areas in Indonesia have quite high tides. Several scientists have developed various alternative energy sources for remote areas such as solar energy, wind power, and microhydro. However, these alternative energy sources have advantages such as shallow sea and deep sea. Water's energy is a source of energy that is cheap and relatively easy to obtain. Electrical and mechanical energy is a form of utilization of water energy. Object. The aim of this study is to obtain preliminary design of simulation of a wave-powered seawater pump model with a buoy and vertical motion piston. Hypothesis. The hypothesis that the flow rate and pumping head as research variables were strongly influenced by wave height and period H and T. In addition, it was estimated that it was influenced by the height and dimension of the buoy VNA and the diameter of the piston tube. Methodology. This research was conducted at the Coastal Engineering Research Laboratory of the Department Civil Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Hasanuddin University. The wave channel is equipped with a wave generator made of steel flume with Dutch length 15 meters, line width 0.30 meters, and effective line height 0.5 meters. Table 1. Model of the float type wave pump. Tap diameter 20.0 cm, tube height 50 cm, upper low inlet hole diameter 1.7 cm, upper bottom outlet hole diameter 0.5 centimeter, buoy weight 1.0 kilogram. Simulation. Preparation for the initial running of the flume. To obtain initial data, namely 1. With a stroke wave generator 6, 7, and 8 to get the wave height. 2. The period T1 13 seconds. The period T2 14 seconds, and period 3 15 seconds. Filling water of the wave flume, water depth 29 centimeter for each model. Change the water pressure level heat at the outlet hole as high as 5 centimeter and its multiples until the pressure level no longer release water. Results. The first relationship between the chart of the wave period for diameter 2.0 centimeter between discharge and wave period using variations in tube diameter and time of period, namely stroke 6, 7, and 8. The result of this study can be screened in the Fig 3. Based on Fig 3, show that the larger the wave period, the smaller the resulting discharge pump, and the bigger the stroke used, the greater the discharge generated by the pump. The second relationship between the discharge of the wave period T for diameter 2.5 centimeter. Based on Fig 5, show that the larger the wave period, the smaller the resulting discharge pump, and the bigger the stroke, the greater the discharge generated by the pump. Number 3, relationship between the discharge of the wave period for diameter 3.0 centimeter. Based on Fig 5, show that the larger the wave period, the smaller the resulting discharge pump, and the bigger the stroke used, the greater the discharge generated by the pump. Conclusion. From the result in can be concluded that the larger the diameter of the tube greatly affect the resulting pump pressures. The smaller the diameter of the tube,